I wish you good health and many, many more. We love you.
And I want to sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ate Julie, happy birthday. Sana mo kayo sa birthday mo. Sana yung maging masaya ka. Alagaan mo sarili mo, yung pamilya mo. Muli, happy birthday. God bless at mahal na mahal ka namin.
Oy.
Happy birthday po, Ate Julie.
Ayun o, Scotty o.
Stay sweet and mabait.
Where's Joey?
Ano, Bel?
Happy birthday po. Wish ko po sana i-good kayo lagi. At kasi mga tao gusto ko yung makasama at kailangan kayo. Julie, enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. See ya.
Hi, Ate Jules. That's from Korean. We all
Siyempre, hindi mawawala sa eksena.
Happy birthday. Ayan. We wish you all the best in life. Siyempre, maraming birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo para mas maalagaan mo pa yung mga apo mo. Ayan. Stay pretty and gorgeous. Once again, happy birthday. Regards to all. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Julie. See you soon.
Happy birthday. Love you. Ingin kayo na. Bye.
Hello, Ate. Happy birthday. Always take care. See you next year. I love you. I miss you. Send money. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. See you next year. Sana magkita tayo. I miss you. Happy birthday. Di ba ikaw pa muna bago siya? Oo nga, ako na dapat sila. Asa na rin. Hindi ka tulog eh. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Miss you. Bye. Action. Happy birthday. Bye. Okay, action. Anong ulam mo? Dibu. Sorry ate, may ilan mga messages namin kasi yung hindi mag-load kung mahaba. But we miss you, we love you. Mahaba naman pamamahal namin. Enjoy! Mahaba naman pamamahal namin. We love you guys. Action.
Happy birthday, I miss you. I love you. Bye.
Sige. Bakit?
Hi ate! Ganda po, diba? So, I just want to wish you happy birthday. And you know how much you miss me. Dapat alam mo, alam mo dapat but, unfortunately, I cannot. So, eto na lang. At saka yung celebration mo na sinurprise kanila na pinatulungan namin. So, just enjoy your day. Yung promise ko sa'yo, ready na. Don't worry. I love you very much. And happy 60th birthday. You know how I really. Okay? Music ka, anyway.
Happy birthday, Ate Julie. Happy birthday with your friends and celebrating your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate. I love you very much.
I love you too and I miss you.
Yeah. Okay. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy Bronson! Hi, Ate Julie. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We are party like it's your birthday. Come on, happy birthday, Ate Julie. We miss you. We were there. We will be there. So have a fun birthday. You want to say something?
Happy birthday. We wish you all the best of fun, okay? We miss you. We love you.
Happy Bronson! Kuya Bronson na.
Hi ate, happy birthday! Sana kung andyan ako sa Pilipinas, bakatiin kita sa mismong birthday mo, kaya lang andito ako. Kaya, happy birthday! Pupunta ako dyan sa Pilipinas sana at babatiin kita ng personal at aawayin kita. Kasi kung ano-ano ay tinuturo mo sa asawa ko.
Happy birthday ulit. Dahil wala ko dyan, hindi tayo makakapag-go ng dalawa. God bless you. Go na na.
Hi Le, happy birthday! Pag-uwi na nila butong yung dagdag nung pa-birthday ko sa iyo, ha? Enjoy lang! Happy birthday uli, nanay.
Parang sulat lang ako.
Happy birthday! Sorry, maiksi lang yung mga message namin kasi hindi may load. Okay? But we love you, we miss you. Bye! Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Wish you all the happiness in life. And wishing you good health. And I wanted to say thank you. I think this is the right time to say this. Salamat kasi nandyan ka para sa mga anak ko. At hindi ka lang bago sa akin. Kahit may kailangan na tayo buhay. Tanggap mo pa rin ako. And thank you kasi never mo pinaramdam sa akin na sampit lang ako. And kahit hindi na akong paborito mong manugang,
Kaya pinuputo niya doon si Dennis. Malaki ang zero sa kanya.
para sa'yo. Salamat lang dahil nandiyan ka pa rin. Hindi sila napayo. Thank you, Mama. Chuchu!
Happy birthday, Auntie Julie. Love you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
From Labio.
Happy birthday! Nak, 60 years old ka na. Happy birthday, Leha! Love you! Okay, bye-bye!
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Julie. Happy birthday, King.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mama, and I hope you're having a wonderful time. Everyone worked so hard on trying to surprise you, especially si Lolo and si Ate Jen. Sinulit nila ako every day, every single day, just so I can make a video. You know, busy kasi, busy. So, sorry kung wala ako dyan, pero one day, you wake up and I'll be right perfect. Huwag kang masyadong ma-stress dyan. Si Chick Boy, Ayan, Limay, How, huwag kayo masyadong makulit. Pati ako din, huwag mo na akong stress, you know. Walang bagay o problema na hindi natin tatanungin, di ba? Thank you so much for always supporting me, always being there for me. Kahit na malayo ka. Whenever I call you, just to talk to you, thank you for listening. And for listening through all my hardships and struggles with life. Kahit na malayo ka, nandiyan ka pa din para sa akin. And thank you. And I love you. And I miss you. And please, please take care of yourself. Basta, hintayin mo lang ako. And I'll be there with you. I love you. And happy birthday, Ma. Mwah!
That's the end of the video po. Siyempre po kahit wala